Let's launch your very first WhatsApp campaign with Quick Campaign. From the Quick Hub dashboard, open Quick Campaign. Go to Templates and choose WhatsApp. Browse the options, pick a template you like, and click Select Template. Next, enter a clear campaign name. Click Select Contacts, check the boxes for the contacts you want to include, and click Next. When you're ready, click Send Now to launch your WhatsApp campaign instantly. After sending, choose Back to Campaign to return to your campaign list and review the status. That's it. Your WhatsApp campaign is live, and you can track results in real time right inside Quick Campaign.